Hello everyone, in today's video I'm excited to show you how to log in with GitHub in Supabase. First, open your web browser and search for Supabase. Click on the first link to visit the site. Once you're there, click on the sign in button. A new sign in page will open and you should click on the sign up now option. After that, click on the continue with GitHub button. Next, enter your GitHub email and password, then click on the green sign in button. After that, click on the green authorize Supabase button. You will then be prompted to create a new organization. Enter the organization name, select the type, and choose either a free or paid plan. Finally, click on the green Create Organization button. Now you can create a new project. First, enter the project name and set a password for the database. Then select the region nearest to your users for optimal performance and click on the Create New Project button. That's it. This is how you can log in with GitHub in Supabase. Congratulations, you have successfully created a project in Supabase. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more informative content.